Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make Bo Luc Lac shaking beef. Vietnamese shaking beef, Bo Luc Lac. This dish gets its name from the vigorous shaking of the wok to achieve an even sear on the beef. This delicious and flavorful dish is very quick and easy to prepare. You will need to gather the following ingredients: beef ribeye, minced garlic, oyster sauce, dark soy sauce, sugar, black pepper, butter, green bell pepper, red bell pepper, yellow onion, red onion, and jalapenos. For garnish, I used watercress leaves, tomato, and cucumber. Now we will prepare our vegetables and set them aside. Next, we will cut our beef ribeye into 1-inch cubes. Now we will place our meat into a bowl and marinate it. Mix it well and cover the bowl and let it marinate for 30 minutes or overnight for the best results. Now it's time to cook. Set the heat to high and add the oil. Once it gets smoky, add the garlic and then the meat. Spread the meat and let it cook for 1 minute. Give the meat a quick shake. Now add our fresh vegetables and cook them for about a minute. Add sugar and butter and stir the pot a little. This will thicken the sauce. Give the beef one final shake before turning off the heat. Now it's time to serve our Bo Luc Lac on a bed of watercress mixed with fresh slices of tomatoes, cucumbers, and pickled onions. We personally like to pair it with a side of steamed rice and use a lime-based dipping sauce that consists of a mixture of lime juice, salt, and pepper. Alright, now the food is done. All we have to do is try it. Honey, can you come and try the food with me, please? Okay. I just need a little bit of rice, and I'll give you the rest. Oh man, that's a lot. Hopefully I don't choke. Sorry. Here, you got that. You got it? Right here. That one, I cut it for you. You see it? Huh. I want the fat. Should I dip? I never really dip, but since this one. Cheers.
Delicious.
Mmm. 10 out of 10. I would make this again. Mmm. So good. I want some more. Maybe without the rice this time. I like it in big chunks, do you? Mmm.
Bye everybody at home.
Bye. He's in the clip now. It's good. Thank you for watching today, guys. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe. And if there's something that you would like for us to make, please leave in the comment below. And I'll see you guys in an upcoming video. Peace.